What's up YouTube, it's your boy Hussein. So in today's video guys, I'll be showing you guys the things you need to know before you start forex trading. So how I started. So as I said in my previous video, I'll be showing you guys how to start forex trading, how to open broker, also open a brokerage account, how to use MT4. So I have made a video on that. So the video is in my Telegram channel. So I'll be leaving the link to the Telegram channel. So click the link below and join the Telegram channel so you can watch the video. So I don't want this video to be too long for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe guys. Show support the channel guys. Most of you watch these videos, it's not easy to make these videos guys. Subscribe, like the video, it's free guys. So make sure you watch this video too guys. So let's head on to the video guys. So guys, the things you need to know before you start forex trading. First guys, make sure you do your research. Most of you want to start an online business, because the way I categorize forex trading, forex trading is an online business. Most of you just venture into things you don't know about. So before you start trading, make your research. Know what forex trading is all about. Know the requirements you need to start before you start trading. So guys, first, do your research before you start trading. So these are the things you need to know and do before you start forex trading. First, make your research. 2, create a trading plan. So a trading plan is like your strategy, the way you are gonna watch out for the market, like the things you do before you start trading. So now before you start trading now, you must know the basics. After the basics, you go to the fundamental. After fundamental, the analysis. After the analysis, the things that involve in trading. So you create a trading plan, you learn the basics, learn the technicals, the things. These are important things you need to know, and you must know it before you start. Everyone say, I want to trade, I want to do it. You must know this thing, and you also know that this trading that I want to start, what is my motive in this trading? Do I want to do this trading of a thing a full time or a part time? Like what do you want to take trading for? Do you want to take it as a side hustle, or you want to go into it fully? Like you want to just focus on trading? So you have to write all these things down before you start trading. And when you start trading, make sure you have a trading journal. As you can see here guys, this is my trading journal. Everything I do daily basis, all my trades, all my wins, all my loss, I note it down in these books. As you can see here, this book is like I have to select some. I have to like add the first one. You can see this one is filled up. This one is filled up, guys. These are stuff I do on a daily basis. Guys, I do this on a daily basis because I trade every day. So I make errors. When I make errors, I'll write it here. So with these errors, when I come back to this book and I see these errors, I wouldn't want to make the errors again. So like this journal will guide me. This my notebook right here will guide me through. So when you start trading, you have to get a trading journal. It is very important. Like it is very, very important. Like there are some trades I took in the past. Like when I took those trades, maybe it was bad. I didn't follow my rule. Like because before you even start to trade, you must lay down some rules before. When you start trading, that's why I say make sure you do your research. Know if you want to do this full time. And if you have known the basics, you have known the fundamental aspect of trading, that is the news and everything that affect trades, the technical part, these things. When you are ready for this, okay, I'm ready, I know the technical analysis of trading, know what next, then you get your journal. Every single trade you take, you must journal it down. It is very, very important. You must journal every single trade you take. Like this journal will really, really help you guys if you want to scale up. If you really, really want to do this trading of a thing, if you are really interested, you must get a trading journal, because trading is very, very wild. It is not something you can just start today and make money tomorrow. Trading is very, very, and it is hard. But the things that can make it hard for you, one of them is journaling. Anything you do, you must journal them. Everything I do daily basis, I journal it down, guys. So make sure you get your journal. After that, learn learn the advanced method and technical analysis. Yeah, I've said that. And and again, you start small. So most of you guys see, when you start trading, you see people posting profit, posting this, posting that, posting their achievement and all these things. Most of every almost every traders came into the industry with this mindset. And trust me, if you come into the industry with this mindset that I want to make quick cash, man, forget it. You cannot, because you might have some beginner's luck and you join some free Telegram channel and make some quick bucks, but it cannot last. Because, for example, now let's put it this way: you are trading somebody's signal, you are trading somebody's entries, and you don't know the psychology behind that trade. Because for that person to be buying or selling, there is a psychology behind it. There is a story behind it. You don't know why that person is buying. You just want to follow that person because all you want is just want to make money. No, trading is not about that. You must learn before you earn. When you learn, when you are ready, I'm ready, then you start, okay, let me step up to the next level. Without this, you are going nowhere. So let's go back to the signal aspect. Most of you start trading, you join signal groups. You want to make money, they post buy and sell, you just want to trade and everything. When I started with this, but it wasn't favorable. I started with it, guys. It took me nowhere. I lost. I blew my account because most of these guys seeing online, they don't have risk management. Most of these guys are scalpers, and you as a newbie trader are copying a trader of a scalper that gets in and out of a trade within minutes. You want to scalp, and you are a new trader, you want to scalp. It's not possible. Or you want to swing trade for somebody that has been trading for years, that have a very, very good psychology in holding trades, and you want to swing trade, and you are just started trading 2 weeks ago. How will you hold the trade? You cannot, because immediately you see negative on your MT4, you will exit. So these are things that will affect you. So that is why you have to get the knowledge first, guys. Learn. As time goes on, guys, I'll be dropping reasonable and very helpful content for you guys here that's following me, so you guys can learn from me, learn from my mistakes, the things I do, the things I don't do. I will be dropping everything here on YouTube, so you guys can follow me. Let's walk this journey together. You know, trading is very, very amazing, man. Yeah, trading is very, very amazing. So you have to watch out for this thing first. Do your research first. When you do your research, you know, okay, trading is that. When you do that, secondly, you learn. Thirdly, you also learn about yourself, because most of us are very, very emotional. Like, the worst aspect is that what we experience in lifetime, in the real life, if we channel it in trading, it's gonna show up. Because if you are somebody that doesn't have patience, that is very, very impatient, someone, and you are trading, man, trading is gonna mess you up totally. Because the moment you enter a trade and you start seeing negative, guys, you will take your exit, because you cannot even hold a trade to its full potential. I make mistakes too. I'm not perfect. I cannot come here and tell you I'm perfect. I sometimes I mess up. Like, I mess up times too. But what keep me going is that when I mess up, I write it in this book that I messed up today. Tomorrow, I see another opportunity. I wouldn't want to make the mistake I made yesterday, because I know I messed up today. And the best thing about trading is that when you make mistakes, you accept, you acknowledge that I have messed up. When you acknowledge you have messed up, forget it. You are a step ahead. Because losses might be very, very painful, because to lose, nobody likes losing. But when you make mistakes and you accept that I've made a mistake or more, that's it. You keep going from there. You keep going. So that's it. Why you have to keep journaling everything you do. You keep journaling, keep writing everything in this book, and start small. Most of you guys will go and borrow money and start trading and borrow money, pay for signal, fund your account. You might have some beginners long and make quick bucks, make $100, but my friend, when trading, when the time comes, that those $100 you make, you will not be able to make $1 because this there's beginner luck, but when the time comes, the signal you pay for will mess you up, the broker will mess you up, fundamentals will mess you up big time, because you don't even know what is forex factory, you don't know what is support and resistance, you don't know what is supply and demand, you don't know what is candlestick, you don't know what is bullish, you don't know anything, and you just want to buy and sell. You're gonna mess yourself up. So guys, learn before you, and when you want to start trading, make as much as research as you can. Make research. When you have understand the basics of forex trading, then you start going for the technical part. After the technical part, you enter into the fundamental, because fundamental affects our trading a lot, almost every time, because you might be buying US dollar, you might be buying gold, for example, because I trade gold. You might be buying gold, and there's news 1:30. President Donald Trump or Joe Biden wants to release a news by 1:30, and you are longing, and let me say you are short on gold, and there's a news around 1:30, and the news is affecting US dollar. Immediately that news kicks in, 1:30, you will see a very huge spike on gold. So these are the things you have to know. When it's news, I don't take trade. If I want to trade, I either trade in London session. So when the US session, when the New York session starts approaching, I'll start looking for my exit, because I know, especially if there is news. If there was no news, I know that okay, I'm safe. But if there's news, I'll start looking for my exits. Or if I don't want to exit, I'll just accept that this trade is 1-to-1. Why I say it's 1-to-1 is 50-50. I might lose this trade or I make money. One will rather happen in this two, because I already know that news is gonna affect the price on the chart. So these are things you need to know, guys. Fundamental analysis is important. Technical analysis is important in forex trading. After technical analysis, you have to now work on your own self. I am still working on myself. I'm not perfect. You have to work on yourself. Know your effect. Know that okay, this is what I don't like to do. This is what affects me when I trade. These are the things you have to note down and start small. Don't go and borrow money and start trading, guys. Don't borrow money from anybody. Learn first. When you learn, the money will come along. And now trading is now the trading industry is quite easy now. You can even buy a prop for as low as $50 and get a $5,000 account and start trading with it, and you'll be splitting profit by the end of the month. This is the best part about forex trading now. So forex trading, the money is not really the issue. It is just the knowledge. When you are built up, you have built up your knowledge, you have built up yourself. The money will come, obviously, because you worked for it. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. So as I said in my previous video, if you haven't watched the video, I'll be leaving the link down below, and I'll be leaving the link to my Telegram channel too, for those of you guys that want to know how to open a broker and how to connect your broker with MT. So for those of you guys that want to know how to open a broker, how to connect your broker with MT4, so as I said before, I've made a video on that. So click the link below, check out my channel, check out the Telegram channel. I've made a video on that. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Stay blessed, stay jiggy, and love you all.